So look, tell me if this has ever happened to you at an open house. Someone walks in, they look around, they even seem super interested, but then they leave without ever signing in. And the problem with that is that you've got no way to follow up with them. There's no name, no number, nothing. They're just a John Doe. So the problem is that super qualified lead is out of the door and you're probably never going to be able to find them again. And let's be honest, the paper sign-in thing is reasonable, but most people don't actually take it that seriously, and most people see it as more of a hassle than a need. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a QR code sign-in for your open house in one prompt inside of Twin. You don't need any complicated development, you don't need any coding, you're literally just going to explain it in plain English. And if you haven't already figured that out, you obviously haven't been watching this YouTube channel long enough. Visitors can literally scan it once, fill in their details, and they never have to do anything else again. So it's easy for them and it's great for you. So let's jump straight in. So all we're going to do is head over to Twin. We can even do this with a free account. And we're going to say, create a QR code for my open house sign-in at 2847 Ridgemont Drive in Phoenix, Arizona, this Saturday, and link it to a new Google Doc that will collect the visitors' names, phones, and emails, and then send that QR code as a PNG to my email. Now, of course, we could use a few different pieces of tech stack, like we could use Google Sheets, or we could use Notion, or we could use your CRM. It doesn't really matter. If you use something like HubSpot, for example, or Salesforce, or another real estate-based CRM, you could obviously just integrate it with that, and it's going to be really simple. So let's go ahead and click that and get started. And look, as you can see, Twin is already saying that this is not a complicated task, but what's funny is if I asked you to do this just by yourself, you'd be like, how would I do that? Right? Twin is there for people that aren't technical and that just want to be able to explain things in plain English and actually get them done without having to talk to developers, without having to use these little weird automation tools. And just for context, I'm the #1 ranked automations expert for NAN in the world on Upwork. And even I prefer using things like Twin to just connect the dots. So as you can see, it's already working through this, and you can kind of see like each stage that it's going through. Like it's creating the sign-in doc, then it's going to make the QR, then it's going to do the PNG for the email. You can just see it like progressively moving forward through the task. It's quite nice. And look, if I didn't like the way that something landed, then I can obviously just go in and just say, I didn't really like this. Could you make it a bit more like this? And it would fix it. And look, as you can see, Twin has already sent that email, and it actually says, here's your QR code for the sign-in for the open house. There's also the sign-in sheet link. And if I click on this QR, you can actually see it. So it's generated the QR, and it's also generated that Google Doc as well. So look, if I go and scan this, I can literally go in now, type this little pencil in the corner, and then go and type in my details as well, which is pretty cool. And this is going to give people a lot easier access. Instead of having to write in this little paper thing, they could do it before they show up, for example. And on top of that, you could also set this up with something like Typeform, for example, or Google Forms, whatever would be easier. Obviously, I'm doing it in a Google Doc today, but maybe you prefer to do it in a Google Sheet or a Typeform. I think I actually might be better in some ways. And yeah, it's really that simple. But the crazy thing is that this literally took about 2 minutes to do. It was that simple. So look, if you're in real estate and you're not already using Twin, you're missing out. I would urge you to get a free account. You could probably build about 10 of these automations just on the free account alone at no personal cost to you. And I would urge you to check it out, and I'll see you in the next video.